Baby doll love, welcome to my nursery today for Theme Thursday, and today's theme is bunny rabbits and farm animals. And I've got 3 of my newborn babies here, Benny, Lavender, and Charlotte Ann. And they're all surrounded by bunny rabbits and farm animals. Here's Charlotte Ann, looking absolutely adorable. She's wearing a Carter's terry cloth sleeper, and it's got a monkey ballerina, and she's holding a bunny, and she's got a little zebra here. And here's another mauve bunny ballerina. And there's a pig, oink oink. And then over here is Lavender, and she's wearing a cute Carter's Child of Mine sleeper that says Little Sister. And she's holding a bunny rabbit, Rattle. And here's a bunny rabbit, and then here's a lamb. And then up here is another bunny rabbit. And here is Benny, and he's wearing a cute Carter's Child of Mine sleeper that says Little Brother. And he's got a panda bear and a little horse beside him, a yellow horse. Now, these outfits that Benny and Lavender are wearing, they were from Sweet Auntie Miriam. And then, also in the nursery, I have my latest addition, my masterpiece doll, Daria. And she's holding a sweet little piglet. And then beside her is a huge bunny rabbit. Look at this bunny rabbit. Isn't he big? Now, he came in Daria's box opening. So that's her bunny rabbit with her. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful Thursday. Many blessings from Baby Doll Love.